What's up, you guys? It's Janae the Bay, and I'm back again with another video. So this time I'm bringing y'all a different type of video, and I'm excited for this because I've been doing it for a while. I think I'm coming up on like my 6 months since I started this. And if you can't already tell from the title, I'm talking about Forex. So I wanted to talk about how you can open up a Forex account. And so this time we're doing a demo account. The way I do my Forex trades is through MetaTrader 4. My sister-in-law said that she had some problems and she had to download the MetaTrader 5, but I've been cool with it. Hasn't given me any problems. I have the iPhone X with the latest update. Okay, so now we're switching over to a screen record that I'm doing on my phone, and we're going to open up the App Store and search MetaTrader 4. So I had to slow this down because I did this way too fast, way too fast. We're going to get rid of that notification and click on MetaTrader 4. So since I already have the app, I'm just going to open it. And it's going to bring me to, I've been trading off the demo recently, so this is my demo. And I'm going to tap on the new account with the green icon, and I'm going to open a demo account. This is where you can open a real account if you want to, but in the search bar, you're going to search your broker. So usually I use Hugo's Way, but another option is FX Choice, and I'm showing you that there's a lot of different options. So I'm just going to click the classic demo. So you can change your name. All this stuff is basically what already came with, but I wanted to show you that your deposit can be different. To have a more realistic view, I like to use 3,000 because that makes more sense of how much money I would choose. And the leverage, I'm just going to keep the default because that's what I've done all the other times. And if you want to change that and play around with it, do it on the demo to see what it's really about. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the name so I can tell the difference between this ones and the ones that are my actual real account. Because, one day I might actually come back and trade with this account. So I'm changing it to Janae the Bay, and I'm going to register the account. And so I took a screenshot of this. You should too, just in case you ever need this information. Usually, in my experience, I never really needed this information again, but it's always good to have just in case. And click done. And so we're going to wait for all the pairs to pop up. These are just the standard ones, and I didn't mean to click that, but I'm going to go back to the quotes screen, and I'm going to press the plus sign in the top right corner. So this plus sign is where you want to add your special pairs, like the other FX majors or indices such as US 30. But I like to trade GBP, JPY, so I'm going to click on the Forex majors, click the plus sign next to GBP, JPY. And you can see these are the other ones. I'm going to go back and show you the other Forex pairs you can look at. Like, I like to trade AUD USD and AUD JPY. I like to look at those a lot. But yeah, anything you want, like, just tap around on the app to find what you need. And I'm going to click on the GBP JPY and press the chart. You can trade straight from here, but I want to show you how you see the chart. And you can see if you wanted to do different time windows and top-down analysis, the little D1 or up in the top corner, you can change the time window to whatever you need it to do. I like to look at the daily chart a lot. A lot of the times, I look on TradingView and I mark up TradingView, but I'm just showing you how you can add different indicators or just whatever, take them off to your MetaTrader app. I think it's a little hard to see sometimes, and I think TradingView has more options, but it's still available for you to do on your phone. So next, I want to show you how you can add like a support. So I pressed the objects in the top and I pressed horizontal line, and I'm drawing a resistance line wherever I think it is. It looks like there's one about right there that I think a possible reaction in the market will happen. So I'm going to enter a trade. And because my phone is so busted, I can't use the top part of the screen sometimes. So we're just going to work around it. And I wanted to do like a order instead of a market execution, but my phone wasn't allowing me. But I'm showing you how you can change the lot size, because you always want to start with the smallest. This is the smallest that MetaTrader allows according to my experience. But I'm showing you how you can add your stop losses and how you can add your take profit, and you can do a sell or a buy. And because the price is high right now and I think it's going to go down, I'm looking to do a sell. So the good thing about MetaTrader is that it won't let you do anything that doesn't make sense. So if you put a stop loss, if you put a stop loss that's extremely high, you may have to make sure you double check. But it won't let you put a stop loss that is like doesn't make sense for a stop loss. Like you won't, if you're doing a sell, it won't let you do less than your execution price. Or if you're doing a profit for the profit, it won't let you do less than your execution price. So that's a good thing. And then another thing is that if you press that market execution button, you can change to like a sell limit or a buy limit, and it won't let you enter the wrong numbers. So that's how you put in an order. And here I'm showing you how you can, you see what your order is doing. And if the number at the top ever doesn't really match the bottom number, it's because your broker has fees. And because we're in a demo, there's no fees. But I'm showing you how you can edit it. And, if once you get into trading, you want to try to do as many risk-free trades as possible so you can edit your stop loss and take profits. So, guys, that's all I have for you now. If you have any questions about what I went over, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love answering you guys' questions. And if you like this content, like and subscribe to Vibe Tribe, because it's all fun over here. All right, talk to you later. Bye.